Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join photos with green screen in CapCut PC. So go to library first and select the green screen button here and just select the green screen that you want to use. I'm just going to select this one. Okay. Then I'm going to place it in the second layer and I'm just going to try to find a picture. You can also use videos for this. I'm just going to use like a video for this one because it was a little bit hard to find a photo. Go to cutout and then select the chroma key button and you're going to select the green area of your green screen and you are just going to adjust the strength. Has this not loaded? I don't know why it's, oh, there we go. It's not loaded. Okay, let's find something else. That's fine. Oh, as you can see, that's a little bit too much. I think I just went over the top with it. Add in a little bit of shadow. Scale it down just a tiny bit. And that is it. That's how you can combine your photos with green screen in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.